Oh shoot, I thought I was videotaping this because something heavy just hit my car. I'm on I-25 southbound out of Cheyenne, and all these trucks are pulled over. Check this out up here. Been in a traffic jam for like 20 minutes, and a big rig just blew over. Stupid. Really bad. Oh man, this poor, I hope nobody was injured. Check this out, man. Look at that, man. Look at that. Ooh, I gotta go way over here. Wow, this poor driver. Oh dear. Lord, help me get over. Oh, gee. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. The cab is just completely broken out. I wonder if the guy survived. Oh, wow. The cab was like completely smashed. Oh, my gosh. Wow.